I'm going to show you right now how to make something that looks like this. It's a little pyramid paper display. You can use it to display the information for your project. It's made, you can see, out of 4 different pieces of paper, and each of those papers we are going to assemble together. So I have a plain piece of paper here. I'm going to fold it. You want to always have a square. Now this one here is about the size of a regular sheet of paper. If you want a larger pyramid, you're going to have to use larger paper. So I'm going to fold this down and cut off the tail so that I end up with a perfect square. Once you have your square, you fold it the opposite direction, so you end up with folds going from each corner to the center. Once you've got that, you're going to just trim from one corner to the center. Now, at this point, this is the best time to go ahead and put your content onto your triangle, because once you get it up made like this, it's going to be difficult to write on. So before you assemble it, you want to go ahead and put your content on. What I would recommend doing is putting an X on one of your bottom sections. That way you know not to put content on that section. When that goes together, you'll cover up the one with the X, and your content will be here on this one and on these two, with this as the top. You can see this will be the top, the point, and then for the bottom section, the top will be at the top of this part, so you can orient your writing in the right direction. So once you have that put together and you have your content on it, you can take some glue. Mine is not going to have any content, although I guess I could. And you're going to put glue on and create the bottom of your triangle. So I have a couple more here. I'm going to do the same thing. Again, I'm going to put glue on the part with the X and then overlap the bottom section. And that makes my second one. You're going to have 4 total. Here's my third one, which I had already made before. And I'm going to make one more here. Again, I'm going to start with creating a triangle to make a square. Cut off the ends so I have a nice even square. I'm going to fold it again. Cut from the corner to the center. And then overlap. Remember, you want to put your content on before you make it into a 3D structure, otherwise it's going to be very difficult. Okay, so now I have 4 different ones. I'm going to put them so that they all back up to each other. And then at that point, I can just use some glue and glue them together to each other, or you can use tape or whatever works. But glue works really well. So you're going to put the glue on the back of each one, and then just glue them so that they create a 3-dimensional pyramid structure. And that's how you do it. So these go on here, glue them together, and voila, you're all set.